All right, so what's good with y'all? It's gonna be a quick little POV for YouTube. We're shooting with, I'm at the park, we just got to the park. We're at Hammond Park. I'm shooting with the 7200 RF 2.8 with the Canon EOS R. We're doing a birthday shoot. We're gonna just get right into it. What shall I take? So the first thing I'm looking for is foreground. Let's see where the sun at. The sun is right above, on the right side more-ish. So let's probably get you backlit. So let's get you on this side. Yeah, in the shade a little bit, let me see. Turn that way, turn that way. I like that, and turn, look, just lean your head towards me. Go more in the sun. Let me see something. I like that better, hold on. Yeah, I like that one better, hold on. Now, let me get, put your stuff up, you ready? Yeah, you put it. All right, that's cool. All right, let me do a nice little pose. Let me get you a, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. All right, so we gotta fix our settings. We got 7.1, which is the 2.8. Let me see what we at. We got ISO 100. Keep it at ISO 100. I'll probably keep it at 1/200. 1/200 looks pretty good. Yeah. Ooh, I like that right there. All right, ready? Turn your head a little more straight. Yeah, perfect right there, like that. Yeah. I like that, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I like these. Yes, sir. I love these. All right, that's good. Since the sun facing that way, I'm gonna have you sit on, if you're gonna sit, you can sit on this one. If it's not too hot for you. Yeah, sit on this one. So you get the sun coming down instead of it hitting your face directly. Yeah. Or you just put one leg out, however you wanna do it. Like just sitting right here. Like almost like this, like with one leg out. Trust me, it's gonna look raw, you'll see. If you can, you think you can? That might be too hard. All right, I got your stuff.
I got the heels on.
Yeah, it's basically just sitting down, really. You ain't gotta like bend low or nothing like that. Like sitting down on the dirt. Yeah. Like try to rest your feet right there. And once you get that, you'll be able to. Yeah, you got strong ground. You good. All right, let me see. You backlit. Move a little more that way, a little bit towards the sun. More that way. We use a natural light, so I only get more of that backlit look. All right, so we're moving on to the next location. See, I can monitor myself with my app here. Boom. That look perfect right there. All right. Let's see. Is that a good? I can't really see the screen. You ready? All right. See my screen, make sure my setting is good. The shutter speed 160. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, your eyes are closed. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I love that. That's perfect. We ain't gonna do that. Let's get one. 3, 2, 1. I love that. That's perfect. Beautiful. I'm gonna get a little close up. Ooh, I love that. I see that's a good facial expression. I love that. A little serious, but it's good though. Yeah. Yeah, it's right here. It's this.
Bro,
come this way.
Time for spiders, bro.
Look, bend down this way.
Oh, hell no.
That's a big ass spider.
Let's go.
You ain't going through here? All right.
That could be more.
All right, for this next pose, I like this one. All right, let me get you like right there by that tree, but bend down low. I'm gonna get this in the foreground here. I don't see no spiders. Oh shit, yeah I do.
I do too.
They ain't touching you.
I like spiders.
Let's get a little low right there. You should be straight. Let me get some of this little foreground in the back. You good, man. Spiders ain't gonna mess with you. All right, just get yeah. It's gonna be in the way of the photo, but yeah. All right, just get low, like right there in between. Whew, that's beautiful. Hold on. Y'all look at that. 3, 2, 1. Damn. Oh. Damn. There's some spiders out here. All right. I like that though, that look good. Let me see. Let me get a little more, yeah. A little more. Perfect, right there. So I can get some foreground in the shot too. Yeah, right there. All right, 3. I'll make sure I put it. Yeah, right there. Good walk now. Yeah. And stop right there, you good. Yeah. All right. All right, y'all, so we just hit the lake. Yeah. All right, let me get one of you. We're gonna zoom in at 200 millimeters, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. They just like that, that's perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I like that. Lift the head up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit more down, my bad. There's the shadows on your face because of the lashes. I like that, hold that though. Say just like that. Like that. Ooh. Give me more expression in the face. Like, let's see. Yeah.
No.
I was trying to brighten you up.
Facial expression was good.
Yeah. Just what you need. Now you ain't even gotta smile. You can just open up your lips. It's all about you can open your eyes, make your eyes more closed, open up your lips. Basically, separate your lips. Yeah, keep that, but separate your lips like that. Yeah, hold it like that. Watch, you'll see the difference. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And keep that. Let me get some more water in the background. Look at the camera. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Yeah, we just finished up the shoot, y'all. We was out for like 30, 45 minutes. So how you feel about the shoot?
The shoot was awesome.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Feel good.
Yeah. We got most of the shots we needed. It wasn't really no dull moments. It's just, I do wish sometimes, like I wish I had my flash, but you know, working on natural light, you know, getting better, improving.